Hey there, Tom here from Fibonacci-Traders.com here. Midday market recap. Thank you very much for joining. I hope everybody is having a great day. Let me know who's with me. We have the 4 hours chart over here. We have the 15 minutes over here. And as we can see, let's say hi in the chat. Don't be shy. Say hi. So I know you're with me. Hello, hello. Shavit, Ophir, Nancy, Jonathan, Ichos, Pijos. Hello to you too. Thank you very much for joining, taking the time and joining this midday live. We have the 4 hours chart over here. Hi Didi. Thank you very much for joining. 4 hours chart. We can see nothing much as we are in a doji indecision. 4488 is holding a support in the past few candles or so. We also have trend lines that shows us that for now we are in an uptrend. We have this trend line over here, broke above this trend line. The middle one was a very tough resistance. As you can see, broke to the upside. Now in the past few 4 hours or so, few candles of 4 hours, this upper trend line is the resistance. Together with the 45.30 area, look left, all this area, very tough resistance. So let's see if price will break up and above this area over here. Next, 45.50, 45.75, and then 4600. Hi Avner, hi Esti, hi John, hi Matan. I hope I did not forget anyone. Thank you very much for taking your time and joining me on the SPY. Let's zoom in to the SPY 15 minutes. We have this trend line from resistance to support. We have this trend line for now, resistance, but overall SPY 15 uptrend channel. We are good to go long as this lower trend line is holding. If you want day trading, Fibonacci levels, all you need to do, swing low, swing high, and there you have it. Closing 15 minutes above this 451 area, we're going towards 451.70. Above it, trend line, and 452.50. Follow price, use levels to the upside and to the downside for future resistance and support. On the 65 SPY, basically today, very tight price range. As you can see, 449.50 to the downside support, inside candle, and now 25 minutes ago we have started a new 65 minutes candle, very tight price range, long continuation above 451.50. Until then, it's very dangerous to take some longs or shorts below 459.49, 459.50. Then we can take shorts. Look left, 451.50, very tough resistance. So by natural things of price action, we can expect for this to become a very tight price action also. Qs, same thing, tight price action, 374 to the downside, 377 to the upside. We can take short below this one over here, long above this one over here. If any technical issues, please let me know, or just say hi. Hi. I will check all your requests. Google We have Apple over here, moving sideways, 186.20, 187. You don't see Apple, now you see Apple. And intraday, some kind of a triangle we can see over here. So let's see a break and continuation above 187.64. Now we also have Microsoft, nothing much, moving sideways, long above 329, short below 326. Google, can we get some kind of a cup and handle on the 15 minutes? Long above 135, 136, and then we are heading towards 136.57. We can also take long above 135.59, but it's very dangerous because we have this level of resistance over here, small resistance. But as long as we know our risk, as long as we know how much are we willing to lose on each and every trade, this is all we need to know. All the rest, no one knows what will happen. No one. So if someone tells you, I know where this price is heading, stay away. Clear. Stay away from him or her, because no one knows. The only thing we have full control of is risk management. Shopify, we took long above this trend line over here. Now it looks like it's heading south. We have our stop in place. Tesla, we took long above 256, and we said we have a broadening formation, so we expect price to hit this. Sorry, once again, Tesla, we took above the 256 area, we took long intraday, day trading, with expectations going all the way towards this trend line over here, because we have broadening formation. I will take 50% off once we will hit this trend line, and our stop will be 257.38. This is how we work. Nvidia crawling up but below this trend line. Let's see if we can break up and above 497.70, and then we are heading towards, once again, this trend line. Breaking above this trend line will send Nvidia, in my opinion, 506. So take screenshots, take notes. Carvana, let's see. Hello Tzachi, hello Nancy. Let's see your requests. Sorry. MTCH on the daily. If you want something for the intraday, day trading, let me know. MTCH, let's clean the chart. We have all this area of support, 43.80 or so, 44. We have all this area of resistance, but we can take Fibonacci. No need to guess. Swing high, swing low. If you want to go long, I would wait above 46.56. It's the 618 Fibonacci retracement. Long above. If you want to go short, I don't see any short, maybe up below 42.60 towards 41. IONQ on the 1 hourly chart. Let's check it out. What's so special? Let's see. First, let's see the 4 hours. Nice. Some kind of a inverted head and shoulders. Very nice. Thank you very much for letting us know and bringing this name to our attention. Breaking above the 618, we are heading towards the 1815. Now, also on the 1 hour, we need to be more accurate with our Fibonacci so we can take swing high, swing low, swing high. Let's do reverse. Let's see where is the next resistance. No need to guess. Fibonacci gives us next resistance 1770. We can take Fibonacci also from here. Next resistance 1780 area. Our support should be just below 1690. You can also use ATR as another confirmation to put your stop loss. If you went now, your stop loss should be the price minus the ATR. ATR now is at 0.4243, below 17, just below the Fibonacci. Another tool that we use, Fibonacci-Traders, we use it as another confirmation to see if our stop loss is at the right place. Of course, depending on the time frame that we are using. Hope it answered your question. DNA. On the daily, nice gap. Yesterday broke above the 205. Now the 205 will become support. Let's see continuation above yesterday's highs. Above it, we are heading towards 252. I don't like this kind of stocks. Usually I don't trade stocks below $10. HPP. I will choose one, Adi. Let's talk HPP. And the daily. We can look left. Very tough resistance. It was a very tough resistance. Broke yesterday. Now, looking good. Let's check trend lines. We have this trend line over here. We have this trend line over here. Looks like close above today's high. Yesterday's high. We are heading towards the upper trend line. We don't need even Fibonacci. Very nice double bottom over here. Went all the way up. Above it, we are heading towards the 8. Very nice. What's more, what do we have here? AMD. Let's see AMD. AMD for swing. We have short-term downtrend channel, the red one. Longer term, we are in uptrend. So it depends on the time frame that you are trading. If you are long already on AMD, as long as this trend line is holding, you are good to go. For long, your stop, in my opinion, should be just below 99, above this recent low. Below this recent low, we are flashing down towards 88. Before 88, we have the 94. This is why we need Fibonacci. Fibonacci gives us everything that we need. We can take swing low, swing high. 99.50 is the low. Your support should be just your risk management, in my opinion, should be just below this one. This area, as you can see, is a very important level of support. We have the red trend line support the lower lows. We have the white trend line supports the higher lows, and we have the Fibonacci. Look left, resistance, resistance, broke, now support. I hope it answers your question. If you want long, in my opinion, a weekly close above 110. Amazon, nobody asked Amazon. PLTR. PLTR broke above the 1574. We had downtrend. Now let's see continuation above 1660. Weekly close above 1660, and we are heading back towards the 2026. a weekly close below 1360, if you're a pattern trader, you can see what looks like head and shoulders, but we also have here double bottom. Head and shoulders is not a pattern, is not a validate pattern. Double bottom is, because by the double bottom is pure price action. Head and shoulders, everybody can draw it however they want. Can you please explain shortly why you don't use the extended hours? There are any pros, cons? I don't use it. I don't have really an answer for this question. I just don't use it. I found that the most accurate price action and the day after is without the extended hours. During hours, the true support and resistance is according to the previous day support resistance, previous week, previous months. It doesn't take in consideration the extended hours, but it's my opinion. This is how I see it. You don't look on volume? No, I don't care about volume, because everything, in my point of view, everything follows price, include volume. Think about it this way. When we have a bull's trend on SPY or on Apple or any other name, doesn't really matter, suddenly you hear it all across the news, you hear it all across the Twitter, YouTube, so on social media. So by default, new traders start running after the price, which means they put more money, which means volume will increase, which means everything follows price. So no, I don't use volume. I have here volume because I don't trade small stocks. Volume less than 500,000 shares per day, I don't trade. Not for day trading, not for swing trading. I have my minimum. Possible AFRM? Of course it's possible. Hit the like, subscribe, share with friends, hit the notification bell. Help me grow this channel, will be much appreciated. It takes 1 second, only one. Let's see what happens, what's going on with futures going up, SPY going up, Qs going up on the 65. As we can see, we had a doji at the first 65 indecision, then we had another inside candle indecision. Now 25 minutes to go on this 65 candle. For now, breaking up. Let's see continuation, and then we are heading towards 378 and 379, and we have an open gap at the 382. AFRM, if you saw the weekly top stocks to watch edition, every Sunday I post my top stocks to watch for the coming week. AFRM was one of those stocks. After a nice earnings gap to the upside, we said we are waiting for a close above 1790. Yesterday we got it, and today here's the next resistance, 1970. Very tough area of resistance. Above it, in my opinion, 2580 is next. Any other requests, any other questions, any questions that you have, anything, don't be shy. Say hi, you are more than welcome, Yoel. This is why we do these lives. If you want to take your trading journey to the highest level, become your own indicator, and with the highest probability, know where price might be heading next for swing traders, day traders, crypto traders, or any other security that you want. Check the links in the description below. We have the one-on-one live mentorship program. available in English and in Hebrew, and we have the online program. Same program, pre-recorded, 6 hours. Both programs, I guarantee lifetime access for support, guidance, and all Discord channels until you will become your own indicator. Stop following others. Stop letting others tell you what to do. Let's see, Pan W. Nothing much. I don't see anything. If you're long already, this should be your stop, the 228. Long only above 246. What else? Hood. Ask me anything that you want regarding trading, regarding day trading, regarding swing trading, technical analysis, psychology behind trading. Don't be shy. Hood. As you can see, we had a steep downtrend over here, broke, beginning of July, broke to the upside. Now, retested it, middle of August, now trying to bounce back, and we have the 212 gap. We can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, of course. We can take also from here, from this trend line that holds the higher lows. So we have swing low, swing high, retracement, 618, broke above this one. Now we are good to go for long using Fibonacci as our risk management. A weekly close above 1140. We are heading towards this gap over here, XPEV, and this will be the last one for this live. And once again, I appreciate you taking the time to join this live. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you won't miss any other future videos. XPEV long above 1950. We had an uptrend, retracement 50%. Now long continuation above 1947, and your stop should be, you can take also long daily close above 1930. Your stop should be below 17. Any other questions, any other requests? Once again, hit the like, subscribe, share with friends. Will be much appreciated. So I hope you found this video helpful. Until the next video, trade safe.